Hello, this is my 1972 280 SE Mercedes-Benz S-Class. I purchased this vehicle with the engine out of it, and since then I purchased a donor vehicle which was a 1970 280 SE and have transplanted that engine into this vehicle. And since then, after I was able to successfully start it, once the engine gets warmed up, there's a smoking condition that I'm trying to diagnose and troubleshoot. I'm going to give you a quick tour of where the issue occurs. It's usually, the smoke arises somewhere in here near the exhaust manifold. As you can see, I've cleaned out where the injectors go into the head, so I can try to identify where the leak is coming from. In fact, if it's oil or if it's coolant. The valve cover gasket has been replaced. I do not believe that is the cause, but it was an easy fix, so I elected to do that as a preventative measure as well. It is difficult to see underneath here, but if we go down into the rearmost exhaust manifold, here's usually where the heavy smoking will occur, and I will find wet spots on this exhaust pipe. But again, it's difficult to determine what kind of fluid it is. The smoke itself is not necessarily a blue smoke that you would identify with oil, and it's not so light that I can easily identify it, or from the smell of it to determine if it might be coolant. Down here also, just to let you know, I've replaced the downpipes as well, because this car was missing those downpipes, and this is stainless steel downpipes that I was able to get from another vehicle as well. Okay, so in my next video I'm going to start the vehicle up, I'm going to let it warm up, and then we'll take a look at the smoke and where it's coming from. We'll also notice that smoke actually occurs on the inside of the vehicle in the cabin area. And as we walk through the front of the vehicle, it's not, again, clear where exactly it's coming from. If it's coming from underneath the vehicle, if it's coming from below, perhaps the heater core. The blower motor on this was also replaced by myself as one of the first items that I did, and that involved pulling the dash apart, as you might know, putting in a working heater core and blower, and replacing that piece, and then reassembling this. Okay, thank you.